Welcome to our math problem breakdown. Today we're diving into a world of defective items and rework magic. We'll use percentages to find out how many items are saved from the scrap heap. Let's crunch some numbers. First up, let's find the troublemakers. We calculate 30% of 4,500 to find the total number of defective items. It's like finding the bad apples in a huge orchard. And the verdict is in. We have 1,350 defective items. That's a whole lot of oopsies needing a fix. Now, let's play the hero. We're saving 80% of these defective items from doom. It's like a rescue mission for broken gadgets. Success! We've repaired 1080 items. They're back in the game, ready to roll out. But not all stories have a happy ending. Sadly, 20% of the defective items are heading to the scrapyard. It's a gadget graveyard. That's 270 items that just couldn't make the cut. They're off to the big recycling bin in the sky. Let's find the survivors. We subtract the scrapped from the rectified to see how many more items lived to tell the tale. And the number of items that dodged the scrap heap is 810. That's a lot of second chances. In the epic battle of rework, 810 more items were saved than scrapped. Remember, percentages can be your best friend or your worst nightmare in math. Subscribe for more math adventures and check out bytelearn.com for all your number crunching needs.